Warning, watching Snap on Friday could cause the following. Increase in Snap on tool purchases. Drastic loss of toolbox space, possibly resulting in the need of a bigger toolbox. Feeling of personal pride and self-worth. Decreased communication with spouse or significant other. Lowered bank account balance. Tool envies from others, especially co-workers. Could cause a possible increase in libido and or increase in testosterone levels. Warnings have not been approved by FDA, FCC, EPA, FBI, FDIC, ASC, DOD, ICE, NATO, FTC, NCIS, or any of the other abbreviations that nobody understands anyway. Extreme caution is advised.
What's up, YouTube boys?
Get out of the way. You don't know how to... What's up, YouTube boys and girls? Today's Snap On Friday. You know what that means. Our favorite Snap On guy, Hamilton's here. Let's go outside and see what he's got.
This old man in the country that I know. No money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Got 'em in. Nice.
Got the air pressure tester right there.
Yeah, buddy. I don't know how long I've had that. I've had that Ratchet a long time, though. What is that, a cooler? Refrigerator. Shit, yeah. We got a drawing on that?
Yeah, I'm talking about the night. I got to do
Shit, you're already here. Are you getting ready to unload it?
unload it.
Yeah, go ahead and unload it. You ain't got to wait till Monday. You don't run up here on Mondays. You don't run Mondays. You don't run up here on Monday. Zeus.
Next step in smart diagnostics.
That's what I need, some smart diagnostics.
Leaving everybody else on the dust.
I need it to tell me what I need to do to fix everything.
I had to do it.
Will it do a Peterbilt?
Nah, I ain't gonna do no Peterbilts.
That ain't gonna help me then. That ain't gonna help me none.
They start working on cars.
No, I don't either.
Ain't got enough room in the hood.
If you can't sit on a 5-gallon bucket under it, I don't want no part of it. I don't want no part of it. So that don't do it all, huh?
Yeah. It does everything except for the, they ain't got no scope in it. It's like the Stylus that we had,
Yeah.
but it's the smart diagnostics like the Zeus is. So it's gonna lead you through step by step on pinpointing you through all your PIDs on where to find your problems at. So I'm telling you, like, these PIDs, there's nothing wrong with them, so don't even worry about them. These PIDs, there could be a problem with these, so this is one that you want to look at.
That's awesome. Is it subscription based, like per
It is.
vehicle?
No. It's
Oh,
subscription
just
based
one-
through Snap-on.
one
You
do
get like
it
a
all.
2-year deal right off the front. That's for all your updates for 2 years. You do have to have internet to run these. With the smart diagnostics, it can be ran without the smart diagnostics, without the internet. But the smart diagnostics is updated daily, all the time, constantly being updated.
Up to the minute.
Yeah.
Well,
That's why it has to have
sharp.
internet too, for smart diagnostics to run.
If I worked on cars, I'd be getting one of them.
Oh yeah, I got a guy that took him 3 months and talked into getting one of these. He bought one of them, and I was looking at the second one a month later. Hey, so that's how much faster that they're getting cars in and out now.
It's all about that dollar.
Yep.
Get the bad boy out.
We got a new light right here. It's rechargeable. We do have one that looks similar to this already, one that takes the 14 Ford batteries. I'm not sure if y'all seen them on my truck or not. I haven't ordered very many of them. It is a dual purpose light. We got the flashlight just like on a lot of our other ones. And we also got the floodlight. Pretty bright, 500 lumens on high. You can dim it down to where it goes on low. It goes 100 lumens on low. We got a 4-hour run time on high also, and a 8-hour run time on low. It is magnetic on the bottom and on the back.
And it's
Pretty
got
stout.
a hook.
Yeah, they've got a hook. It is rechargeable. It's got the same charger as these lights and the same charger as the little square ones like Clay has.
The USB-Cs.
Yep, we've seen plenty of them. And like I said, they got the hook on the back of here. That way we can hook it on something. And if you're working up in the car and just leave it there.
Very nice.
That part number on that one's ECARA 052A.
That is a very, very nice light. Look at all them long neck ratchets, guys. Got them in all
Then you
kind of
CTR
colors.
767s.
CTR 767. That is a nice one. Very nice. So Hamilton got my ratchet fixed, so it's working again. So that's a good day. Hard to beat that snap-on warranty. Hard to beat it. Hard to
This
beat
ain't
it.
Snap-on brand. Malco. Name of it. Metal shears. Sheet metal. Look it up till you drill.
Yeah.
You mess with sheet metal, that's where it go.
Yeah. I hate cutting sheet metal.
A lot better than using one of these.
He said, whatever. Green.
SDDX.
XDDX 50AG.
127.95.
127.95. Man, look at this little feller. How awesome is that? I like that so much. I ain't gonna ask how much it is. I'm just gonna lay it right there in the pile. The sail gonna go on with them other wrenches.
I should be getting them in. I know a lot of guys got theirs in yesterday. Some, but a lot of them saying end of this week. I'm sure mine will be first of next week. You know, the closer you live to the distribution center, the longer it takes to get it. There's guys living 15 hours away, get their stuff 3 days from mine. I live an hour from it.
Where did you get that ratchet in? The jacks? The lock-in quick head?
No, not the 3/8. I did. Soft grip.
Darn.
Got a hard grip, hard handle on them, but that thing's the one that y'all looking for. I might have done so good.
I don't even see one up there.
Yeah, I might have done so good, that boy. But maybe try it this week.
That's what you want to do. Sell it, sell it, sell it. Yep. Make that money. I like making money. That's my favorite thing to do. Second favorite thing to do. I like to eat. My first thing. First favorite. Did you ever get any of them 1/4 inch mobile pluses? I have used the crap out of that 1/4 inch stuff. Look at here. This is the exact same kit that Mr. Joe had last week. The exact same one. I don't remember what his price was, but we showed that on Cornwell Monday.
Yeah, them, keep them all the time.
What is your price on them? We'll have us a price war right here. Snap-on versus Cornwell. I don't remember what the price is, so you guys have to go back and look at Monday's Cornwell video and we'll know. Price war.
124.
124. I think his is like 125. So, alright. That is a nice kit right there. You sell many of them?
Yeah, we do. That's where it's open because everybody wants to look at it. They
The little
try to figure out what it
tiny
is, and then they're like,
files.
I think we need that. This is, I just started carrying these, but diamond grip thermal planners.
Yeah.
Like tweezers to me, but
Oh, look at that right there come in. That go on mine. Won't that fit mine?
yeah, they fit on the end of any of them.
What's that say about it? You ain't got one of these like this on a red handle, do you?
We can make a red handle. No, here's one here though.
There we go. Put that on my wheel. What did these right here ended up running? Alright guys, I'm gonna pay Hamilton and I'll show y'all what we got, so y'all stick around. What's up guys? What'd y'all think about the new cool intro we had today? I thought that was pretty awesome. Thanks very much Jackson Young, and as always, thank you very much Jason Young. Alright guys, you've seen Hamilton had some pretty cool stuff on the truck, and we bought some stuff, so let's get into it and I'll show you what all we got. The first thing, I've had this ratchet for a long time. It's a FLF 936. It's just a standard ratchet. Anyway, it got to where it wasn't working right anymore, and Hamilton fixed me up with it, so it's like a brand new one again, so I'm proud to have that bad boy back in the arsenal. Another thing, I had this was actually my father's. It's a Speedex automatic wire stripper, and it got to where it wasn't gripping the wire and holding it, stripping it very good anymore. So I really like this wire stripper, and the sentimental value, I'm still going to keep it even though it don't work right. I'm still going to keep it in my toolbox because it was something special to me, and I learned how to do electrical work with this. So I'm still proud of this one, so I bought one today to replace it. This is the Blue Point version. I'll get over here, y'all can see it a little better. It's got a lot more sizes than my old one in it. So it goes from a 20 to a 14, 12, 10, and 8. So it's pretty nice. So this is the Blue Point. That part number is PWC 27. So that's one of the new things we picked up today. And I had an oil filter wrench that I purchased just a couple of weeks ago, and it was a Carlisle, and I have no clue what I done with it. I don't know where it went, so I picked up a new one today. This one's a Blue Point YA 427 4A. The next thing I picked up, I'll get over here where you guys can see this. These BACKPROBE adapters. The part number is MTTL 7005. These are going to come in super handy. As you can see, they're super fine probe adapters. So that'll go on my multimeter. That's going to come in super handy. Checking stuff, especially small as tiny as the little plugs are now, so that's going to be really useful. And the next thing I bought is the cooling system pressure tester, and this one works off of shop air. So I listen to all you guys, so you guys can't say that I don't listen to you, because right there it is. That part number is SVT S263A. So let's get this thing open. See, I do listen to you guys. Can't say I don't listen to you. And let me get it up in here where we can see what it's all about. Of course, there's your air inlet. So this should make life a lot easier on us with the larger cooling systems that we have on the big trucks. So anyway, we're gonna give it a shot. Everybody said I'd be pumping for days, so I decided to go ahead and get the pneumatic version. The next thing I got, I know you guys probably heard me on there when I said, oh, that's cool. I'm gonna put it in a pile. I don't even have to ask the price. And this is what it is. Now, I use a pocket screwdriver a lot. Like, I use it so much, this one, I don't even have the writing on it anymore. Like Hamilton's name, phone number is all gone off of it. But I am a pocket screwdriver fan. I love them. Well, I seen this one on the truck. Of course, I'll keep the other one because it's got the magnet on it, but it's got a flathead and a Phillips. Lifetime warranty. And there's a magnet up in here that it sucks to also. So I thought that was super cool. I had to get it. That part number is SDD0MIA. So I had to get it. I had to get it. So then I picked up the 1/4 inch Wobble Plus. So this ends all of my extensions with Wobble Plus. That part number is 106ATMXWP. Now Wobble Plus, in my opinion, is the greatest thing since sliced bread. Like, I love some Wobble Plus. And I know I've showed it before in a video, but some of you guys may not have seen it. So I will run through it real quick one more time and show you how awesome Wobble Plus is. Grab a 1/4 inch socket and I'll come over here and show you. All right, as you can see, it's got this funky little cutout shape and then a square part down here. The way Wobble Plus works, you put your socket on there, and the first click, it's a wobble. It'll wobble around for you. You don't want it to wobble, push it down again, and it's a standard extension. So those are awesome. So that's that set, and it is a 6-piece set. So that will come in super handy because I definitely love Wobble Pluses. And the next thing I picked up is the scraper set, 3-piece. That part number is CSA 300AO. Super nice set. So we'll get that added to the box, and no red handle, so it's gonna be orange, off color, but it'll work. And the last thing I picked up was a 1/4 inch drive, whatever you call it, wobbly heads, round heads, spinner heads, I don't know. That part number is THNF72. And I got this for dash work because I was on one yesterday and it was pretty much kicking my butt. I couldn't get in there with a nut driver. I was having a hard time. I was just having a hard time with it. So I'm thinking this may fix my problem with that. So we'll try it and I'll let you guys know. Anyway, that's what I got today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we will catch you guys next time. Y'all have a great one.